Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at flash floods in Almendralejo, Extremadura, Spain on Thursday, September the 23rd, 2021. These floods were caused by heavy rainfall in the region overnight, and flash flood warnings are also in place for surrounding areas, including Zafra and Merida. Disruption has been caused as streets fill with water, blocking traffic, and local firefighters have been called in to help with the situation. As the streets fill with water, the strength of the flooding has washed away vehicles, as well as bins and other objects. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.